eating from the food area at the Contemporary Resort. We just ordered breakfast from the Contempo Cafe and we're waiting for it to be ready. Ryan said he found a hidden Mickey in this girl's dress.
It's right in the middle.
It's right in the middle.
3 flowers in the middle make a hidden Mickey.
Oh, I see it. Guess where we're going? Walk into the Magic Kingdom. We're walking to Magic Kingdom. Look, I can see the castle.
Yep.
Wow. Wow, it's Space Mountain. How many times do you think we're gonna ride Space Mountain today?
That's 3.
At least 3? That's an easy number.
That's what I'm saying, at least 3.
What's the most you think we'll ride Space Mountain? Yeah, maybe 5. We're almost there. It's like straight up ahead. We have to get our temperatures checked.
Yep.
At that tent. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
And here's the temperature screening. So we've made it through security. They do the temperature screening and then right afterwards you go through security and then you finish this walkway and we're about to go by like guest services outside of the park. But it's not a bad walk at all.
Huh?
I don't think so.
It's not.
And right now there's not that many people here and we should be in the park probably in like
10 minutes?
less than 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, up there. So we'll see when we get inside. We're here. The Magic Kingdom will be open until 7 p.m. Oh, let's go.
You leave today and the world.
Oh my God, I didn't get a picture. I didn't get the sign. A beauty. Let's go.
We're here.
This first time we're gonna see like the real like the new castle in Magic Kingdom.
First time since March that I've been here that it wasn't decorated.
Oh yeah, that's true. Hi! It's Mickey! How cute! Oh my God, I'm ready. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Oh my God, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Oh, I can't see where I'm going.
I got you. Turn to the right. Turn to the right. Open.
It's so pretty. I'm gonna cry.
She's crying.
Oh my God, it's so pretty. Oh my God, I just cried my eyes out. But look at that beautiful castle. Oh, it's even more pretty in person. We're in Starbucks. Ryan can't start his day without some kind of coffee. So we're here to get it. What are you gonna get from Starbucks?
Ice coffee.
You think it'll be better than Joffrey's iced coffee you got the other day?
Yeah, I wasn't playing with Joffrey's.
No? You're more of a Starbucks person?
I guess so. More of a Dunkin' person than a Dunkin' here.
Kitchen's Corner's closed. I can't get a mac and cheese hot dog. This is the first time I'm coming to Magic Kingdom and I can't get mac and cheese hot dog. Oh my God, look, the Plaza ice cream parlor is also closed. Depressing. But you know what's not depressing?
That castle.
That beauty. All right, so we're walking into the Emporium now. We're trying to find some cloth face masks just to see if they are more comfortable than our surgical masks. And this is a crowd in the Emporium. This is crazy because the Emporium is literally always so crowded. Oh look, they have like grandma mugs and dad mugs and Moana mugs and Mushu mugs. Oh my God. Oh my God, look, measuring spoons.
Oh, like a cookie cutter.
We have measuring spoons. Yeah, but we don't have Disney measuring spoons. Isn't it beautiful? Let's go. Let's try to find some masks. So we got some masks. Ryan got a Star Wars mask. And I got this Disney one, like with Mickey on it. I wanted the blue one that has like all the little characters on it, but they don't have a large. So I'm going to try Tomorrowland. She said that there's some in there. So let's see. How do you like it? It's a lot better. So these are our new masks.
Swag.
And the verdict is that they are more comfortable than the surgical masks. And like you could like I'm trying to like exhale and like I can't feel it on my hand. So I guess that's a good sign. And that's the recording that they play to remind you just to socially distance, wash your hands, keep your masks on. Ooh, the castle's in front of me. But yeah, the blue one that I wanted, they didn't have my size, so I'm gonna try to find it somewhere else, and I'm just gonna pay extra for it, whatever. But I do like these. So normally this bridge is filled with people rushing over here to get to Mine Train, and there's really nobody on here. And then we have this beautiful castle, and this is what entering Fantasyland looks like. This is where you would meet Merida if they were doing character meet and greets, but as of right now they're not. And we're walking over to Cinderella's wishing well, which is our spot since we got engaged there. And here we are.
My lower lip is out.
You can't tell. It's like a wish. Headed over to Mine Train now. It's a 25-minute wait.
Hi ho.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
Look at this.
It's kind of deceiving because everybody gets funneled in, like a little choke point, but then you get out into the park itself and it's like, whoa.
It's like, whoa. Emptiness. And here we are, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Posted time says 25 minutes. All right, here we go. So the queue looks really long, but everyone's all spaced out. Thank you. So again, here in the queue for Seven Dwarfs, they have the socially distanced markers. Well, Disney calls them physically distant. And the queue looks long. Posted wait time was 25 minutes. What are we at? We're at 11. So we still have to go inside there. But we're not too far, I don't think, from getting inside.
That's probably 8:30.
Yeah.
Seven Dwarfs.
Which is still not a bad wait at all for this ride. So they have plexiglass in the lines again to divide you between the parties in front of you. And they also have the little touch station where you can like touch the gemstones. They are guarded off.
Even before Rona, I thought that was gross.
Yeah. We're off Seven Dwarfs. Excellent ride as always. And now we are in line. Well, we're not in line yet. We're going to be in line for Winnie the Pooh.
And that stirred things up a bit.
The east wind traded places with the west wind.
Oh my god, this is so cute!
You'll never reach that tree.
Mommy! Mommy! Oh dear! Can anyone kindly rule? Look, Mama, look!
It's Owl.
And Mama's high. Oh, yes, yes. If I was saying, my dear, come bounce with me.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Oh my god.
Bounce right out of the ride. Watch out for the walk the walls. They steal honey. Steal honey.
Ooh, what happened?
He's screaming.
They love it because they don't know the prize.
came off Winnie the Pooh. Sorry. And it was such a cute ride. I thought it was adorable. We're on our way into Tomorrowland now to get on Space Mountain. I don't know what the wait time is. Splash Mountain is closed and I'm upset. They drained it yesterday and I'm like, why? I'm upset. But I guess, you know, maybe it'll open later in the day. But for now, we're just walking into Tomorrowland to head on to Space Mountain. And here are the crowds in Tomorrowland. It's really not bad. It's still pretty early, but obviously I don't think it's gonna get more crowded throughout the day, but this area in Tomorrowland is always like, I feel like Tomorrowland is always so crowded, don't you think? Like it's never not empty. Space Mountain says, I think that's 20. All right, here we are, 20 minutes, Space Mountain. So the loading area is right up there. And what time? 13 minutes. So probably in like the next 5 minutes, we should be up there. And it was posted at a 20-minute wait, so seems pretty accurate. We put our surgical masks back on.
Those dizzy masks are flim flam.
The cloth mask, like they're nice when they
got us again.
When you first get them, they're not bad, but then they get damp. But like as they get damp, like these, like when you sweat, like you can feel that it's a little damp, but it's not like on your face. Those, it's like on your face because it's tight. It just feels like wet. It's I don't know. And the straps are kind of tight on my ears. They need to be stretched out. Long story short, they were $6 and we're back with our old masks.
Long story short, I felt like I was being waterboarded by my own sweat.
Now we're going over to Buzz Lightyear.
Now the show goes on.
Where Ryan's most likely gonna beat me again.
Nope.
Whatever. I still beat him one time. So there was a time where I did beat him. Oh, let me get some sunscreen.